Let's take a closer look at this Sentry Safe Box, which is fireproof and waterproof. Now this safe box can endure a half hour at 1,550 degrees Fahrenheit to protect irreplaceable documents and your valuables. This safe was verified for 72 hours of water submersion, offering some peace of mind in the event you have a flood. Now this fireproof safe contains a flat key that prevents the lid from opening due to fires, and it also includes 2 keys. Now that blue tape on that safe is just covering up our name. Now let's go take a look at the inside of this Sentry Safe Box. This fireproof and waterproof box accommodates up to 40 letter sizing hanging files and folders, and we have approximately 10 in there right at this moment. Now those are sold separately. Now it's very heavy duty and it weighs approximately 40 pounds. We purchased the Sentry Safe Box approximately 6 years ago, and I highly recommend it to keep your personal belongings protected and secure.